Have you ever found yourself noticing the same number patterns repeatedly, like glancing at the clock exactly at 11:11 or seeing 222 on license plates, receipts, or even in phone numbers? These aren't mere coincidences, they're known as angel numbers. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that carry divine guidance and messages from the universe or your guardian angels. They serve as a bridge between the spiritual and physical realms, offering insights, encouragement, and support in various aspects of life, including personal relationships. In today's video, we'll delve deep into how you can improve your personal relationships with the help of angel numbers. We'll explore what angel numbers are, how they influence our relationships, the meanings behind specific numbers related to love and connection, and practical ways to interpret and apply these messages to foster stronger, more fulfilling relationships. What are angel numbers? Angel numbers are repetitive sequences of numbers that appear in our lives in various forms, on clocks, receipts, license plates, or even in dreams. In numerology, each number carries its own vibrational energy and significance. When these numbers repeat, their energies are amplified, and they convey more potent messages. The universe and our guardian angels use these numbers as a form of communication. Since numbers are a universal language, they can transcend linguistic and cultural barriers, making them an effective tool for spiritual messages. By paying attention to these numbers, we open ourselves up to receiving guidance, support, and insights that can positively impact our lives. The connection between angel numbers and personal relationships. Our relationships play a crucial role in our happiness and overall well-being. Angel numbers often appear when we need guidance or reassurance in our personal connections. They can provide insights into our relationship dynamics, highlight areas that need attention, or affirm that we are on the right path with a particular person. By understanding and interpreting these numerical messages, we can gain a deeper awareness of our relationship's emotional and spiritual aspects. This heightened awareness allows us to make more conscious choices, improve communication, and foster stronger, more loving connections. Common angel numbers related to relationships and their meanings. 111, New Beginnings and Manifestation. Meaning, seeing 111 signifies that your thoughts and intentions are manifesting quickly. It's a reminder to maintain positive thoughts about your relationships. Application, focus on what you desire in a relationship rather than what you fear. Visualize harmonious interactions and loving connections. 222, Balance and Harmony. Meaning, this number emphasizes the importance of balance, cooperation, and trust in relationships. Application, assess whether your relationships are balanced. Are you giving and receiving equally? Work towards creating harmony and mutual support. 333, Communication and Support. Meaning, seeing 333 indicates that it's an excellent time to express your feelings and thoughts. The Ascended Masters are supporting you in your relationships. Application, open up channels of communication with your loved ones. Share your feelings honestly and listen actively to others. 444, Foundation and Stability. Meaning, this number symbolizes strong foundations and stability in relationships. Application, strengthen the trust and commitment in your relationships. Build a solid foundation based on honesty and integrity. 555, Change and Growth. Meaning, significant changes are on the horizon. This number encourages adaptability and embracing new experiences in relationships. Application, be open to growth and change within your relationships. This might involve trying new activities together or adjusting to life transitions. 666, Balance between material and emotional needs. Meaning, a reminder to focus on nurturing relationships rather than material concerns. Application, prioritize spending quality time with loved ones over work or financial worries. Ensure emotional needs are being met. 777, Deepening spiritual connection. Meaning, signifies a deepening spiritual bond and the need for authenticity in relationships. Application: share your spiritual beliefs and values with your partner. Engage in activities that promote spiritual growth together. 888. Abundance and reciprocity. Meaning, indicates abundance and the flow of love and support in relationships. Application: recognize and appreciate the love in your life. Be generous with your affection and support. 999. Completion and transition. Meaning, signifies the end of a phase and the potential for new beginnings in relationships. Application: reflect on what may need to be released, such as old grudges or unhealthy patterns, to allow for new growth. How to interpret angel numbers in the context of relationships. Be observant. Pay attention to when and where you see the angel numbers. The context can provide clues about which relationship the message pertains to. Reflect on current relationship dynamics. Consider your feelings and thoughts about your relationships when the number appears. Are you feeling disconnected, or is there a specific issue on your mind? Trust your intuition. Your intuition is a powerful guide. If a particular interpretation resonates with you, it's likely the message you need. Research numerological meanings. Look up the meanings of the numbers you see. Understanding their general significance can help you apply them to your situation. Apply the message. Take actionable steps based on the guidance received. This might involve initiating a conversation, making a compromise, or expressing appreciation. Practical ways to use angel numbers to improve relationships. Enhance communication. Use the appearance of numbers like 333 to prompt open and honest conversations with your loved ones. Foster trust and security. Seeing numbers like 444 can encourage you to build stronger foundations. Show reliability and consistency in your actions. Embrace change together. When you notice 555, consider embracing new experiences as a couple or family. This can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. Balance giving and receiving. Numbers like 222 and 666 remind you to maintain balance. Ensure that you're both giving and receiving support and affection. Release negative patterns. The appearance of 999 can signal the need to let go of past hurts or unhealthy habits that hinder your relationships. Cultivate spiritual connection. Engage in activities that deepen your spiritual bond, such as meditating together, attending spiritual workshops, or exploring shared beliefs. Show appreciation. Numbers like 888 encourage gratitude. Regularly express appreciation for your loved ones to reinforce positive feelings. Real-life examples. Emily and Alex's story. Emily kept seeing the number 222 during a rough patch in her relationship with Alex. Recognizing it as a sign to restore balance, she initiated a heartfelt conversation. They realized they had been neglecting quality time together due to busy schedules. By making a conscious effort to prioritize their relationship, they rekindled their connection. Michael's family bonds. Michael noticed the number 444 appearing frequently. Understanding it symbolized stability and foundation, he decided to address long-standing tensions within his family. By organizing regular family gatherings and encouraging open dialogue, he helped rebuild trust and strengthen their familial bonds. Tips for deepening relationships with angel numbers. Meditate on the numbers. Spend time in quiet reflection or meditation focused on the angel numbers you encounter. This can help you internalize their messages. Keep a relationship journal. Document your experiences with angel numbers and note any changes in your relationships. This can reveal patterns and progress over time. Set intentions together. If your partner is open to it, discuss the angel numbers you see and set mutual intentions to improve your relationship. Practice affirmations. Use positive affirmations related to the messages of the angel numbers. For example, we communicate openly and honestly, or our relationship is balanced and harmonious. Seek guidance. Consider consulting with a spiritual advisor or counselor who can provide additional insights into how angel numbers can aid your relationships. Overcoming challenges in relationships with angel numbers. Identifying issues. Angel numbers can highlight underlying issues that need attention. Acknowledging these is the first step toward resolution. Embracing patience. Numbers like 777 encourage patience and trust in the process. Understand that improvements may take time. Letting go of fear. If you see numbers like 111 or 555, it may be a sign to release fears holding you back from deeper connections. Cultivating forgiveness. The appearance of 999 can signal the need to forgive past transgressions to move forward positively. The role of self-love in relationships. Before we can cultivate healthy relationships with others, we must first have a loving relationship with ourselves. Angel numbers often serve as reminders to practice self-care and self-compassion. Numbers like 111 and 333 encourage you to focus on personal growth and self-expression. Applying self-love, engage in activities that nurture your well-being. Set boundaries, pursue your interests, and affirm your worth. By fostering self-love, you become more capable of giving and receiving love in your relationships. Angel numbers and different types of relationships. Romantic relationships. Angel numbers can guide you in finding a compatible partner, deepening intimacy, or resolving conflicts. Friendships. They can highlight the importance of supportive friendships and encourage you to invest in these connections. Family relationships. Numbers may prompt healing of familial wounds or strengthening of family ties. Professional relationships. Guidance can extend to improving relationships with colleagues or business partners. Embracing angel numbers as part of your spiritual journey. Incorporating angel numbers into your spiritual practice can enrich your life and relationships. Regular reflection. Set aside time each day to reflect on any angel numbers you've encountered and their potential messages. Gratitude practice. Express gratitude for the guidance and support you receive. This can amplify positive energies. Mindful living. Stay present and mindful throughout your day to notice the subtle signs and messages from the universe. Potential misconceptions. Over-reliance. While angel numbers are valuable guides, it's important not to become overly dependent on them for every decision. Ignoring personal responsibility. Angel numbers provide guidance, but taking action is up to you. Personal effort is essential in improving relationships. Fear of negative numbers. No angel number is inherently negative. Even numbers that highlight challenges are meant to guide you toward growth. Balancing skepticism and openness. It's natural to approach the concept of angel numbers with skepticism. Balancing critical thinking with openness can lead to personal insights without disregarding practicality. Personal experience. Pay attention to how acknowledging angel numbers affects your relationships. Personal experience is a powerful teacher. Integrative approach. Combine spiritual guidance with practical steps to improve relationships. Conclusion. Angel numbers offer a unique and profound way to receive guidance and improve personal relationships. By being attentive to these numerical messages, we can gain valuable insights into our relationship dynamics, foster deeper connections, and navigate challenges with greater wisdom and compassion. Remember, the universe is always communicating with us in subtle ways. By opening ourselves up to these messages, we not only enhance our relationships with others but also embark on a journey of personal and spiritual growth. So the next time you notice a repeating number sequence, take a moment to reflect on its meaning and consider how you can apply its message to enrich your relationships. Call to action. Have you experienced angel numbers influencing your relationships? We'd love to hear your stories and insights. Share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on spirituality and personal growth, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates.